There's an
guy
AR
on me?
above you.
Is he below me?
There's a kid underneath you. Well, I could run it right now, but...
Hey, dead.
Oh, I'm coming.
I'm good. I'm good. He is pushing
I'm gonna run
me
at this
though.
kid full speed.
$48.
Hey, missus.
200.
See
Gonna get barrels really quickly. Be able to kill my kid.
Cracked him. Done.
New team.
88, kill it.
New team, chill. 47.
Show
Taking my
my
box?
office. Yep. 62.
30. And scan in a second.
80 on a teammate, but I got one pumped.
MP. 1 HP. Oh my gosh. Dead.
One's about hit, one's about hit, one's about hit.
Yeah.
One hit it. Other one's going.
I just whiffed. Oh my. I just threw my mouse. Oh my gosh, bro. Like, this console input delay is so bad.
104 on top. Oh, just start launching shit at him.
I boosted him into storm, I think.
Back that kid.
You're doing good.
We should go up.
Okay. I'm up.
Oh, zip line.
There's a kid right here, in this box right here.
Yeah. Spray his ass.
Yeah, hold on. I'm waiting for him to edit his top.
They're going up.
100. Oh, dead.
We have it, or are we good?
Yeah, we have it. I'm gonna connect to the other side. Again, I crimped in on you, I lied. Oh, I didn't pick up my other shotgun. GG's. Wrap it up. 30. See that kid?
Yeah. 13
I'm
builds.
getting on this. We need
Sorry,
a
Spanish.
sprint team.
And 5 builds. Kid is coming up. Watch out.
Okay. He just slide kicked me off! Bro, what? Dude, I just got slide kicked off height. Then,
Boxed. Muffle box. This might kill me. 1 HP, 155. Really 170, bro. Nice. Goes up the entire hill. We need to get up
Yeah,
that.
go,
They're going. Literally just trying to get to that marker.
yep.
They cracked me, but
Need a big?
I got.
Give me a second.
I'm waiting.
Any
Yeah, you
people
do you.
get distracted. Right here?
Yeah, we can break right now.
Yeah. Here. Splitting.
I'm about to just jump all the way down. Like down here.
Good on me too. You wanna
Yeah,
get
get to me.
Yeah.
No,
I'm
pulse to me, pulse to me.
I'm scanning.
I'm gonna chop this guy down.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
How we get
Right down.
back? Anything scanner
2, 1,
before we
1.
go? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm double splitting. I have 50 metal yet left and no brick.
Let it run, come.
You have my scanner, right?
Yeah. Come in. Here. Give him up.
Back here, look. 70 crack. Lighted.
You probably gonna go in?
Yeah, I've
Good
got
nuts.
500 or almost half metal.
Okay, I'm gonna dash. Worry about this.
Okay,
Yeah, it gets me.
I'm on you.
We have fight, we have fight.
Okay.
What HP on a kid?
Okay, I'm scanning. Here, I'm
50
gonna
white on
let you break now.
this green Paw Patroller.
Take.
Okay.
Just come.
We need to connect more.
Yeah.
155 on a kid trying to come up.
Watch, yeah, I see him. He tried to boost us off. He didn't.
Connect to me.
Yep, on you.
Sorry.
Take the rest of this. Okay, I'm
Whatever,
scanning
just ramp.
again in 3 seconds. There's a little bit of metal here. I'll just pick it up for now.
Boost those kids far in zone. Any second you can get to shoot someone, shoot him. I killed the kid in zone. Cracked 1 HP, he's gonna grief us. Got it.
Up. 30 crack, 1 HP. Okay, scan. Actually, I'll just do it. It's fine. Wait.
I only have wood.
Here. I'm giving you
That kid's 1 HP right there. I
35
cracked him so many times. How is that kid alive still?
37.
50. Kid's going out. Here, take this, take this. I'm gonna go down.
Okay.
Take this. Like it's
Yep.
dead. Dead. Cracked.
That was,
Dead.
would have been really bad. Oh my god.
I killed all of them this. So level 3, 2, 1, go.
You know.
Bombs on
Dude,
it.
this scanner on console is
We should.
from my eyes.
Yeah, we should go once. We should go once and get across the bridge. Get up a little bit. Go up a few layers. No box right here.
Alright,
Yeah,
so.
we're gonna go above metal straight ahead of us. Straight ahead of us, the metal.
Okay.
Right here.
Done.
Boxed.
Up 1.
Yep.
So many kids on your layer.
We have high.
No, we don't.
No, we don't.
We're okay though.
We're good. Just layer. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2.
Yeah, I'm
Half and
3 and a
one,
half,
drop
2 and a half, 2. Here, I'm gonna split you Mars now. There.
Yeah.
Kid behind us, solo.
What are you trying to say? 140. Come.
Grab,
Running.
Guys looking, be careful. Good?
I'm a good tarp.
Yeah, I
think
need
we need some
props
big.
in my... Actually, we need to take chug jugs. Come on, I'm not popping. Scanning.
One height.
Okay.
100 for box. 1 HP. Dead.
I'm getting to you. Dude, these kids builds
Out
are
of chug jug.
bugging me so hard. I'm up, but
One
I don't
height,
have
do
mats.
it.
I don't have mats.
Okay,
I have a full
I'll do.
chug jug for you, though. We need to start spamming the balls down at people. Just get out of my way, though. Don't.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm scanning. Here, take this now, Loki. I have 3 builds. So many kids tanking. 37
We got
crack.
chopped.
Oh, we're good.
We're up though.
I have no builds.
He's gonna go up. He's going up.
Yeah, I can't. Hold up. I'm getting up.
100. Boxed. He won.
No. Give me.
Nice.
Give me.
No, go.
I need chugs. Can you mark?
Chugs. Yep. Right behind you.
Yeah.
18 builds.
I'll grab him in a second. I need to grab him now, Loki. I'm cooked if I don't.
Top
Okay,
4.
I guess not.
Play him.
I'm cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
No, you're not. Make it.
I have storm
Make it.
sickness. I can't.
Let's fucking go, Kayla. Let's fucking go. Oh, bro. Let's fucking go, Kayla.
Holy shit. Bro, you got 1 month and I got so sad.
Bro. Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go.
Holy shit.
Let's fucking go, Kayla.
Oh
Holy
my god.
fucking. Oh my god.
Oh.
Let's fucking go, bro.